Good evening. We are going to do a VPC. We are going to create a VPC rather than using graphical user interface. We are going to create that with CLI. How to do that and what type of code that was on. Let us see. See here. I already launched one instance and also I installed things like Terraform. First, I installed Terraform. Later, I installed Unzip. Later, I installed CLI. And with help of access key, IAM user access key, uh, I configured with user key and secret access key. And when it comes to after completion of that, I just created Terraform block terraform.tf block, and later I created a provider.tf block. Then I created one resource.tf block, and in that resource.tf block we are going to copy paste our code. So I just did this because if we launched instance and we logged in into SSH and we are doing coding, bill will generate, right? So I just don't want to do that. For a cost optimization, I just skipping that being that instance in our running stage. Instead of that, we can keep that in uh, stop stage and we can do coding in Notepad and later we can copy paste there. So bill won't come, right? So okay, okay. I just created in Virginia. Okay, here I hope one instance is there running. No, 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 it is in stop stage. Running zero instance is there. This is what I did. And I'm again repeating, I launched that instance in Ubuntu. Later I installed the Terraform. Later I installed Unzip. Later I installed CLI. And I configured with IAM user secret access key and access key. And I created one Terraform directory. In that Terraform directory, uh, this Terraform block, and also provider block, and also resource block I just created. And now we just it is in stop stage. Okay, how the coding will do? Let's take a notepad. Notepad book. Okay, see, see up to here. We can create one. First thing, we need to create a security group. First, we need to create a VPC. First, we can create one key pair, and we can that pen file. We can download pen file. Sorry, pen file. Second, we can create one VPC. Okay. Third, a security group we can create. Okay. Security group we can create. Fourth, uh, Public subnet. Sorry, subnet we can create, and then we can create a private subnet. No, no, it's okay. Public subnet, right? One route table we can create. Okay, separate. And when it comes to here, we can create one. What this one? Private subnet, private subnet, and eighth one we can create a route table for table for private. Okay, in this public subnet we can create one NAT. Okay, NAT gateway. Okay, okay, we are going to do NAT. First we need to EIP and NAT. Okay, okay, it's okay. This is the plan. We are going to execute now and code. When it comes to code, first resource, resource. First what key pair, right? Okay, TLS underscore private key, give any name, give any name. Okay, bracket open, give any name, bracket open. Algorithm 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 equal to double quotations RSA double quotation close, and when it comes to RSA bits, bits equal to 4096 bits. No need to give double quotations. Okay, okay. Bracket close. Okay, after this one, resource uh, key pair, AWS key pair, key pair, AWS key pair. Okay, and you can give name as uh, Terra. I'm giving this as Terra. Okay, then come here. Okay, come here. Bracket should close, and when it comes to here, what you need to give public key pair, public key. Sorry, public key. You should give a name, key name, key name. Okay, key name equal to Terra. Okay, bracket close. Public key equal to what we given TLS. I am taking reference from here. Okay, this one, this complete line I will take without double quotations, and here I will use dot. How it will work means, how we need to give TLS private key dot, yeah, okay, uh, key dot a dot id, no, dot iphone allow ssh private key allow ssh allow ssh. Okay, okay, when comes to here, resource, what this one, is like local file, local file, and here I'll give us a private key. Okay, in this private key, what we need to give, like content, file name and content need to give. Okay, first let me give file name equal to Terra. I just given as Terra, and content. When it comes to content, you need to copy this thing from here. Oh, TLS private key dot a. It's public, man. Okay, TLS private key dot a, private key icon. This thing you need to give here like this key, and here dot pen. Okay, this one is public key allow SSH. Yes, now it's correct. Now with this, it will download. Local file will be downloaded. That PEM file is downloaded. With what name? Terra. Okay. Up to here, we just created a key pair. Okay. Let's create a. Before creating security group, we can create one VPC first. Resource, resource, AWS, VPC, and give a name. B. Give a name. Bracket open. Okay. Here CIDR you need to give. But remember, you just give an AWS VPC, right? So just give here tags first. Tags. You should not forget this giving tags. So tags, bracket open, bracket close. Okay, tags name equal to name. No. Okay, bracket open, name. Name equal to uh, tags with what name we should have for VPC. Let's give Navi VPC. VPC. Okay, it's okay. That's it. It's all about tags. Next to CIDR block. That's it. CIDR block BLOCK equal to double quotation. In the double quotation, 192. I'll give according 192.168.0.0 by 90. It will come like some it will come some. So okay, lead say block, so it's completed, right? Okay, then our VPC is successfully created. Now what we need to do, we need to create a security group. Okay, resource. Commonly resource only we need to remember resource, and what we are going to do security group, right? So AWS security group, security group, security group. Okay, security group, and then uh, give a name, like I just given here like D is used, right? I will give C. Okay, then bracket close. See, you just went through it, right? Tags. First give tags. Okay, equal to, then name equal to, with what name you want that security group. Navi VPC SG security group. That's it. Okay. Okay. Next, inbound and outbound rules. Remember, inbound, outbound rules. In here in Terraform, we use like a increase. When goes to increase, INGRESS, increase. For increase, we need a close bracket, right? See, I'll give two increase. INGRESS bracket open. Again bracket I will close. Egress. EGRESS. Okay. Egress bracket open bracket close. See here. I am going to give two inbound rules. One is execution SSH port number 22 and second one is HTTP. I'll give as 80 port number. So how we are going to do? See here in security group description is important, right? So security group it will ask a description. See, we went. See, we need here. We need to give both like with the given name. We need to give description, and then we need to give VPC ID. So first we need to give DSCRIPTIO. Okay. Description. Sorry, it's my bad. Uh, Description is like you can give any. Okay, and VPC ID. VPC ID equal to okay VPC ID. What ID you are going to do? We used what service with what service we did this one. We created VPC AWS VPC, right? AWS VPC dot here see AWS VPC. What I given this here? B given, right? So dot B dot ID. That's it. So what it understands here VPC ID is there. Okay. This side this security belongs to that VPC only, like that it will understand. So we need to give this one. So we need to give a name, description, VPC ID, English. When it comes to English, I'm going to give first description. DSCRIPTION description and what description we need to give? From port. From port. Port. From port to port. From port to port equal to from port to port equal to protocol. Protocol. Protocol equal to and then last one what we need to give let me complete this one. Description is for what? SSH. Okay, done. From port 22. Okay, two port what? 22. Okay, here two port is there, but don't think this is like agrees means outbound rules. It's like it's okay. Okay, outbound rules are this one. Okay, don't think like that. And protocol what? TCP we are going to give TCP. Okay, protocol and here CIDR blocks, not blocks. CIDR blocks. Blocks equal to double quotations 0.0.0.0 no dot by 0. Ingress. See, I copy pasted this one here, right? And I will edit simply SSH. I will put like HTTP, and here is 80. Okay, 80 TCP protocol, CIDR blocks, all allow. Okay, see increase, see the increase. Tags name. I forgot to give close bracket here. See tags. I forgot to give tag close. Again, you need to give here name. Don't forget. Okay. Name, description, VPC ID. Okay. Then ingress. Okay. I'm just copying this description from port to port protocol CDR blocks and I'm pasting here. See, agrees is there. Paste agrees. Here, HTTP is there. No, you can give allowing, allowing all, allowing all. This is outbound rules, right? See, 80 give 0. This is also 0. TCP. TCP you should give -1. Means it's declaring allowing all. Okay. Okay. Then see why this one came last. This one. This one is for this one. See this one close open close. When comes to this one, just remove one bracket. This is for this one. This is for this one. Increase. Remove this one. Increase. Okay. And okay. Open close. We should not give close bracket there. We should give here. Close bracket we should give here. Okay. Now you will understand. Okay. We successfully created one security group, right? VPC ID also there. So it belongs to the VPC then. What is there? Our VPC need one internet gateway, right? If internet gateway is not there, means how traffic will come inside? It won't come, right? So we should have one internet gateway, right? So we create one internet gateway. How to create a internet with RS? So you or CAD. So AWS internet gateway, internet gateway. That's it. And I will give this as I'll give this name as what I given upside C given. I'll give this as B. That's it. That's it. See, internet gateway you created. Uh, tags. You should not forget tags. Tags. You're forgetting tags always. Name equal to bracket open. Naveen VPC IGW internet gateway. That's it. Name is completed. Tags are completed. Who, which VPC? For which VPC? See, I'm just copy pasting this one. Where VPC ID equal. Sorry, it's not right. Yes, I'm just copy pasting which VPC. You know, right? VPC ID AWS VPC dot B dot ID. Where it comes AWS VPC. Here it will come. Starting of this. Where it is? Security VPC AWS VPC B. AWS VPC B. Dot ID. That ID I'm telling to you. Dot. Okay. Tags. You can keep like this. So you will feel easy to score. Okay. Okay. Internet gateway is created and we attached that one by giving the VPC ID, right? So what we need to do, we can create one. First, we create one subnet. Next, we create one route table. This subnet and this route table for public. Okay, public resource, resource, AWS, subnet, subnet. That's it. Give a name. I use D, right? I use it. E. I will use E. Bracket open, bracket closed. Okay, in the middle tags. Don't forget. First give tags. Give tags first only. Tags equal to bracket open, bracket close. Name. Which name you want to give this subnet? I will give as public subnet. Public subnet. Subnet. Close. Okay. Name you given. Huh? Now this subnet, where you want to create this subnet inside the VPC, right? So you need to give a VPC name also, right? So I simply copy paste this VPC ID, copy paste here. Okay. For subnet creation, what we will do? We mandatorily we need to give CIDR block, right? So CIDR block equal to number 192.168.2.0 by 24. Okay. Why I given? Because I already given here 90, 192.168.0.090. Here what I am giving 192.168.2.0 by 24. I was given, right? Okay. See, first we give a name. Uh, Here we need region, right? Region, no, like the name. What we usually with graphical user interface, what we will select there. First, we used to give availability zone. We used to give availability zone right here. No, it's a subnet, right? For subnet, no need. Uh, no, no need actually. Subnet creation after subnet. One second, 1 minute. So it's not. It opens out. One second. See what create the subnet. What it is. Yeah, that's it. We'll give this one. We'll drag down this one. So subnet name. Available zone is there. CIDR block. Yeah, actually you can use this one. Availability zone. Without that also you can do. See, copy paste simply this one. So, first, this one is completed, right? Availability zone. Let me think second, how to give the code. We'll think last and it comes to here. First one. Up to here we created on subnet. Private subnet also just copy paste this one or later we can do. But for understanding purpose, we'll go with the source AWS, what is this one? Route table. Route table. I use PE, right? I will give as a bracket open, bracket close. Here first to do tags equal to name, name equal to double quotations, public, public route table, public route table. Tags are completed. Route table tags are here we need to in which no VPC ID we need to give in which VPC you are creating. We are creating in here, right? So VPC ID we need to give copy submit VPC ID. We just win VPC ID. See route table, create route table. See name you given, VPC ID you given. That's it. Route table is completed, and you need to attach this one, you need to associate this one, right? So here only I am doing nothing. Inside will give attach, okay. Outside we give association, okay. Attach means route, okay. Route, see, don't use resource here, just route. Route this to what? Internet gateway, right? So for internet gateway, CIDR block is necessary, right? CIDR block, block, then equal to block by 0. Okay, CIDR block is completed, and uh, internet gateway ID, gateway ID, gateway ID equal to what? Internet gateway ID. We create an internet gateway, right? Internet gateway. See, AWS, copy this one, AWS internet gateway D, up to D, copy and paste, come here and paste here, edit this one, internet gateway, remove these double quotations and put dot, and come to D, after D also put dot and give ID. Resource is AWS Internet Gateway, and we given to Terraform to remember this part as D. So that also we given that ID. What you given here to come after execution name, like Internet Gateway tags name, I given as VPC IGW, no need. Okay, personal no need. To Terraform, what is given to remember D, right? So give D. That's it. That's it. Here, resource, resource, uh, double quotation, AWS underscore, sorry, AWS, uh, route table, route table association, association, and give this as G, given name. And here you need to give both the subnet ID, subnet ID you need to give. Okay. Gateway ID you need to give. Huh? Okay, both you need to give. What is subnet ID? Hmm? Our subnet, public subnet, where our public subnet? Here, this is only now. So copy this one. See, I just started as AWS so subnet E and tags no need. These and all public subnet, right? So these and all no need. Just copy this one. Copy up to E, paste dot E dot ID. Okay, okay, and then gateway ID is AWS Internet Gateway. Copy. Sorry, uh, where it is? We need to go up. Gateway ID. Yes, this is the gateway ID. Copy gateway ID. Yes, it's completed, right? Like we just created up to now. What we created? A public subnet we created. A public subnet. For the public subnet, we created one route table. Okay. So, a public subnet we created inside the VPC. We given a name, VPC ID, CIDR block. How much we need? That should be just mentioned and we created that one. Okay, we created one route table uh, with the name of public route table and the VPC ID also we given. Okay, in that we given we route table we given here, right, a route to, like we mentioned this one CIDR block we given. Uh, See, here is a mistake. Why 0? It should be 0. Internet gateway ID. Okay, why we attaching this to internet gateway ID? Because to attach internet gateway means it will become public, right? So we just given like that. And association. Okay, we given association. Okay, okay. Copy this one completely. Copy because it becomes now only it's like almost half an hour. So copy this one VPC ID resources subnet up from resource to this one route table. Copy, come here, paste. AWS subnet again we took this, right? Okay. Last piece is G, right? This one H. Okay. AWS subnet service we took this one. Public subnet. This should be what? Private. RIVAT private subnet. Okay. VPC ID, VPC ID, okay. Here also, here CIDR you need to change. I give it 2 there, I will give 4 here. So it will accept. Then resource route table service we took. I took there H, I take here I public route table, I give a name tags there. I'll give here as a private route table VPC ID we given. Okay, route to which one? Huh? AWS. Here you should not give a route. This one here you need to give NAT. Wait. I'll tell you NAT gateway. I'll tell you. Here you need to route to NAT. You need to route. Okay. Then no, like this one route. One second. Okay. I'll tell you. Resource association gateway ID. association. This is okay. You need to give as NAT only. NAT. Here you need to give NAT. This is pending. I first I will tell you that. Okay, and comes to here, internet gateway, right? So this one association subnet ID you need to change here. See subnet ID. This is H, right? So you need to give here as H, and associating to H. One route table is there. Which one? This one. Route table is there. Route table, I can private route table is there. One private route table also actually that one we will usually associate to private route table. That is private subnet. Associate private subnet. See association private subnet is there. H means private subnet. Okay, done. And this one here you need to give NAT. Now, which one you need to connect? You need to connect it to NAT only, right? NAT ID. NAT ID. Oh, oh, NAT. Associate. ASSOCIAT. Associate. IP equal to what? See, I'll tell you. Before creating public subnet and public instances, public private route table, you need to create a elastic IP first. By using we are assigning this elastic IP in NAT. Use this elastic IP in NAT. That NAT need to create inside the public route table. See, let us see. Resource, resource, AWS, NAT, gateway, NAT gateway. Okay, and comes to here, you can give this as Z. Yeah, okay, you can give this as Z. Okay, don't forget to give tags. AWS first, resource, resource, EIP. AWS underscore EIP, elastic IP. Give this as give this as a bracket open, bracket close, tags, tags equal to bracket open, bracket close. Here you need to give name, and equal to space equal to double quotations elastic IP for private for NAT. Okay, give like this. See, VPC equal to true means this VPC belongs to this elastic IP belongs to this VPC. That's it. When it comes to here, AWS NAT. NAT is there. NAT Z and Y. NAT gateway. Subnet ID we need to give. Private subnet ID. Source VPC ID. Copy this one. It's E, public subnet. Where it is public subnet. Once you see public route table, public subnet. This is E. So you need to give E. Okay, correct. But don't forget tags, huh? Tags, tags, tags equal to name equal to what this one nat, right? Nat for private subnet. Okay, then here bracket close subnet ID. You can mention this one VPC ID to VPC ID to VPC. Sorry. Okay. And up to here, we created on Elastic IP. We created on NAT gateway. Okay. Inside the public subnet in this VPC ID. Okay. Then we give name also right. We will be creating NAT gateway. What it will ask? NAT, create a NAT, name, subnet, Elastic IP. That's it. Oh shit, we forgot to mention we attach this Elastic IP, EIP, associate IP, where it is, where it is, okay, okay. NAT, right? Yes. What is this? EIP, oh, subnet, associate EIP equal to what is EIP? EWS EIP towards EIP dot. What was that? IP z dot ID onto this one dot. We need to give associate EIP. Means we created Elastic IP there and we restricted that Elastic IP in add gateway inside the public subnet. That's it. And when it comes to we created subnet here gate route. We just created a subnet there, private subnet. Uh, this private one we should route to what NAT gateway, NAT ID. We need to this route table associate first to come to associate elastic ID here. We need to give must NAT. This is confirm association. Here we need to give okay NAT AWS AWS NAT not gateway ID. What is NAT gateway ID? NAT gateway is right. Copy, paste. NAT gateway dot ID dot ID. Yes, subnet is belongs to H means it is this private subnet. H means private subnet. Subnet C. H means private subnet. This private subnet associated to this is route table. No? One second. It should attach with normally, generally, this one what subnet will associate to route table, and that route table will attach to route to. Where is route table of the private route table? Private route table. Okay, route means attached to NAT gateway. Should be in NAT, right? One second, I'll delete confusion and, among this NAT and copy. This one route private route table is there. Huh? Private route table will route to NAT gateway. Internet gateway, no, NAT gateway. Clear. Okay. Here, when it comes to here, route table association, subnet ID will attach to subnet ID association private subnet. Private subnet H means private only, no? Attached to private subnet and C one private subnet is there. Private subnet is there. Route table is there. NAT is there. Private subnet will associate to route table. Associate private route table. This should be in associate private subnet will attach to private subnet is there. The private subnet will route table is there. Internet gateway. Where is internet gateway? Base of internet gateway here. Simple route. Simple answer is here only. Route to internet gateway. This route table will attach to NAT. This source AWS route table association. Leave it. Route to gateway ID. When comes to here, private route table, route to NAT gateway. Correct, correct. C. And then in association subnet ID, gateway ID. Subnet ID is what? Okay, subnet ID is given. Gateway ID, subnet ID association. This one, route is there. No, I don't think subnet ID and this one route table ID you need to give here, not gateway ID. ID equal to what was that one? Route table ID is copy table id dot id id subnet id route table id, and these two will associate. Here, what you need to give subnet id route table id. Same to same route table id. Copy from here. Here you need to give route table id. So I will little bit confused here because of that. See here F is there. What is private route table? Private subnet is a private route table. I is there. So unit is I. Yes. See simply we created a private subnet. Okay. Huh? Okay. We created a route table hmm, in VPC. That one. And this route table is attached to NAT gateway. And we need to create connection between that subnet, private subnet, and route table. So that is association. Association we given subnet ID and route table ID. So association, so it is associated. That's it. Uh, what we did up to now, key pair, okay, VPC, security group we did, internet gateway we did, and we attached the public subnet we created, elastic IP NAT also we created, route table for public, and these two are okay. For private subnet, okay, we created, and this one route table for private. This is also we did. So these things we are going to execute. See, I just want to. There are n number of mistakes will be there here because we practicing in Notepad. That helps a lot. We can practice this in Visual Studio Code. I'll show you Visual Studio Code what it is. Copy. There is a Visual Studio Code here. Dot three. There is a Visual Studio Code here. Okay. We can practice that in here. So in this you will get an extension. Extension I'll show you. Extensions. No, 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 no. Hashika, Terraform. This one I already installed, and this one already installed, so it will find errors in it. If you practice this, but you won't remember all. I don't trust this will remember all, so I will go with usually I'll go with this. And there are a number of mistakes will be there, so I'll correct that one using AI. How many number of mistakes are there in my code? Please help me, help me, and paste your code. Okay, enter. See, it will show all. See, incorrect resource type name spacing. You should be resource prepare. Oh, four types of mistakes. Keep it. Oh, AW dot I use dash. Keep it. It's like typing mistakes. Leave that one and see we use typing mistake this one. Keep it Tara resource AWS route table F AWS route table F AWS route table F. What is there wrong? Okay, space is not given, dude. See here, space is not given. A resource or unwantedly we given underscore there. AWS space is not given here. Agrees bracket in agrees missing space between agrees and this one. See, bro, this is all beginner mistakes actually. We what we given code is correct only. Attributes public key equal to LTS private key dot a. See here dot should come, right? Yeah, after a here dot should come. See here also dot should come. Associate EIP allocation. No, no, no. It's allocation. Allocation. Associate. Oh, sorry. Allocation ID. Allocation. Okay. Allocation ID. Okay. EIP. This one duplicate resource name. AWS table association. NAT gateway. NAT gate. NAT gateway ID. AWS. Okay. Sorry. We should not use NAT. AWS here. NAT gateway. Remaining all correct. Corrected code. See, I have doubt in this resource AWS route table association. Route table association. Okay, this is the code. Oh, so sorry. It was taken more than 1 hour. Oh, copy code. It's going. See, bro. I'm just executing this one. VPC now VPC instances. Tick mark this one and start instance state. Start instance. If I so sorry, take, but when you keep on writing this code, it will come automatically. And when it comes installation, I just want to this one. See this one. I just copied this one, right? Copied, and I am going to paste this code resource.tf block. Okay, there I will delete that one. I will remove that file. Again, I will create that file. I will put all this code there and I will execute this one. Okay, that is what we are going to do now. Then connect to SSH sudo hyphen I. Do anything. Okay, till opening, still starting. Why? Initializing. Okay, now it's connected. Sudo su enter. Okay. Now present working directory is I am in Ubuntu. I'll go back. Okay, now it goes to root. Okay, doesn't working directly. It goes to root ls artli ls hyphen a is enough actually, but here aws dot aws is there now. No need to go to again IAM all this cd dot aws. This is already configured. See cat credentials. Oh, cat credentials. Access key, secret access key also there here. Okay, ls art okay, see credentials configuration. It is already configured with AWS. Okay, so cd iphone come back. Okay, ls artli enter into this one cd terraform cd terraform. Okay, you are entered in ls artli enter. Here what is there? Which blocks are there? See, terraform block is there, provider block is there, resource block also there. I am going to remove resource dot tf. Yes, we removed that one. Again, we creating resource dot tf. Enter. It will open. Insert mode. Insert your code. Escape. Colon WQ. That's it. Now let's do this. Terraform. First one is Terraform init. Init. I hope errors won't come. If came also, we need to do this. Now the time is 10 o'clock. It will take time to initiate. It will take time to validate or plan, but it will happen. So, all this code what we written here, okay, everything is available in the Terraform registry. Okay, PC using Terraform. See, Terraform registry is there. Terraform registry is there. Everything is available here. Okay, if you want, see VPC, right? See, it is there. We can simply copy paste there. No one will use internally these coding things. No one will use, but to impress HR, in interview to impress HR, to satisfy technical routes, they will ask. So that is the reason we are just learning this. All copy paste only inside VPC is there. If you want to create uh, route table, route table, see Terraform registry, everything is there here. See route table. See how to create route table. Take one name, VPC, in which one, router, CIDR, gateway. Everything is there. Tags. I'm so sorry. Okay, this one is completed and Terraform init validate. validate, Terraform validate, and validate is for checking the code. Okay, it's just for checking the code. If there is any errors, it will show errors. Validate. Validate. Outer validate plan. Need to do outer plan. Apply. Apply. Destroy. That's it. See. Success. Okay. Then now what I will do? Terraform. Plan. Plan is for what result it gives. The code what you return, what gives you back. Whether it's going to create a deletion or doing any modifications like that, it will show. Like adding, deleting, these things it will show. Plan means. It will take time, minimum to minimum 1 minute. If you wait 1 or 2 minutes means it will give it will shows like whether it's going to create or delete or something like this. Yes, hence result came. See what it is showing plan. It going to create 14 things. Okay, and when it comes to changes or modifications or deleting is zero. We are just going to create these things what we committed to do. This one key pair and temp file it will download, and VPC security proof internet gateway, public subnet, route table, private subnet, route table. These things what we are committed that is going to create now. And when it comes to this and all, its number is 14. We calculated each and each. So everyone is EIP is one, NAT gateway is one. Okay, we can Terraform, Terraform, apply. See, before applying, apply, enter. See, now just to see how many VPs are there. There are one VPC and see one VPC are there. So one VPC is there available here. When we click yes here, it will it one ట్యూషన్ లో ఉన్నా అని చెప్పరా apply VPC. See, when it comes to VPC, one VPC is there, subnet is there. నేను ట్యూషన్ చెప్తా ఉన్నానని చెప్పరా ట్యూషన్ చెప్తా ఉన్నా అని చెప్పు చెప్ VPC. Tuition రా. See, when it comes to here, route table, internet gateway, egress. No. See, it will, yes, enter a value, right? Yes, Q, S. That's it. And hence, it is, everything is creating, right? See, as you can see here, VPC is generated. And this is route table. One is public and one is private. VPC. See, this one recently created one, and this one is a default one. Subnets and route tables. This one given internet gateway. These for what? Only carrier elastic IP will be generated what? Public IP and prefix. See, previously it is there, right? NAT gateway is pending. It is also created, right? So peering connections. So it will take a time, some time, and then VPC. See, this is what 192.168.0.0.90. This is what we created just now. This is what given, right? So copy this VPC ID, copy, subnet. Yes, these two are public and private subnets. And comes to route table, same. This one. See, these are belongs to three. I don't know why it is okay. This one is created. Route table, internet gateway, paste internet gateway, one internet gateway, and it is attached also. See, let's check. Detached from VPC. Manual stacks. See, hence it is already attached. Elastic IPs, one is there, and it is in status of, and this thing put in added, right? So I just want to destroy these things. What is there? VPC. See. Instance security group Naveen VPC S3. It is created, right? Let's go and check inbound rules. HTTP SSH outbound rules we given everything, right? All traffic -4, huh? And yes, TCP protocol we given, right? And when it comes to key pair, let's go key pair. What is their key pair? Key pair is there, right? Terra. This is what we given, right? Huh? Okay. And see, ls hyphen a rtli Terra. It is there, right? It is already downloaded, right? Huh? Cat Terra. See, this is terra.pem actually. It is downloaded. This is pem file actually. It is downloaded. Okay, then we can destroy these things. Let us see once this one VPC VPC and we can click here. Okay. Terraform destroy destroy. After clicking yes, everything what is created that all will be deleted. Destroy is the purpose of deletion. As you can see here, two keypads are there, right? After giving S command to, after giving approval to destroy, you will see this only one. Sorry, it's my bad. Okay, see, after giving, I am just giving S command. Click on here. Terra is there. In VPC, only two VPs are there. After giving S command, you won't able to see the second one. See, key pair is deleted. VPC is deleted. See, this VPC also will be deleted. Everything will be deleted. You won't able to see this file 192.168. See, everything what we created that all will destroy here in seconds. See, security group also you won't able to see. See, 14 destroyed. Let us see here. VPC is there or not. See, default one is there. Huh? What we given 192.168 that is not there. Everything is destroyed. That's it. That's for the day. Thank you so much. This but exit this one and turn off that one. Better. Okay, log out. This one is there, right? This one instances. This one I am going to terminate this one. Terminate. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.